In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create a USA Google account. Start by opening your web browser and going to google.com. From there, begin the Google account sign-up process. When you see the form, enter your basic personal details, including your name, your birthday, and your gender. Make sure your birthday is accurate, since Google uses it for age verification and for certain account settings later on. Next, you will choose your Gmail address and create your password. Take a moment here to pick an address that is easy for you to remember and professional if you plan to use it for work or school. For your password, use a strong combination of letters, numbers, and symbols, and avoid using anything that other people could guess. It also helps to store it in a secure password manager so you do not lose access to your account later. After that, you will be asked to enter a phone number. For immediate region tagging, use a US-based phone number. This is important because the verification process and some Google settings can be influenced by the country tied to the number you use. Once you enter the number, complete any verification steps that appear on screen, such as receiving a code and confirming it. Once your account is created, open google.com again. Now you will set your country and region preferences. Look for settings, then go to country or region. From there, choose the option to create a new profile. This profile controls regional settings that can affect things like search results, content availability, and certain Google services. When prompted, select United States as the country. Then enter a US address in the address field. Be careful to type the address correctly, because this information may be used for regional personalization and for account-related features. Finally, click Save to apply the changes. Give it a moment, and your new profile should now be set to the United States. That covers everything you need to know.